Welcome, everyone. Today we'll briefly cover the cellular components of the immune system, the key players in our body's defense network. Antigen-presenting cells, or APCs, are essential for initiating T-cell responses. While some antigens can directly stimulate immune cells, most T-cell responses depend on antigens being presented within MHC molecules. Intracellular antigens, like viruses, are displayed on MHC class I molecules by all nucleated cells and are recognized by CD8 plus cytotoxic T cells. In contrast, extracellular antigens, typically from bacteria, are processed and presented on MHC class II by professional APCs, dendritic cells, monocytes, macrophages, and B cells, which interact with CD4 plus helper T cells. Dendritic cells act as immune sentinels. They capture antigens in tissues like the skin and migrate to lymph nodes to activate T cells. A related but distinct type, follicular dendritic cells, doesn't present antigen via MHC2 but helps B cells by presenting antigen-antibody complexes in germinal centers. Monocytes circulate in blood and migrate into tissues, becoming macrophages. Macrophages adapt based on signals. M1 macrophages promote inflammation and kill microbes. M2 macrophages resolve inflammation and aid in tissue repair. Both are critical to immune balance. B cells develop in the bone marrow, and after maturation, they can become plasma cells that secrete antibodies. They also serve as APCs and undergo gene rearrangements, allowing them to recognize a vast range of antigens. Upon re-exposure to antigen, memory B cells mount a faster, stronger antibody response. T cells mature in the thymus and include helper T cells, CD4+, cytotoxic T cells, CD8+, and regulatory T cells. Helper T cells coordinate responses. The 1 promotes cellular immunity, the 2 enhances antibody production, the 17 drives inflammation, and T follicular helper cells support B cells. Regulatory T cells help prevent autoimmunity. Cytotoxic T cells are vital for killing infected or abnormal cells, including cancerous cells. Natural killer, NK cells, are innate lymphoid cells that destroy target cells lacking MHC-Y. They respond quickly and secrete cytokines like interferon gamma, influencing adaptive responses. They're essential in viral defense and tumor surveillance. Finally, polymorphonuclear leukocytes, neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils, are short-lived but powerful responders. Neutrophils are frontline phagocytes. Eosinophils combat parasites and contribute to allergies. Basophils and mast cells release histamine and other mediators during allergic responses. Together, these diverse cells form an integrated immune system that protects the body while maintaining internal balance. Which cell type or interaction would you like to explore in more depth next? This video is for educational purposes only. Subscribe to our channel and keep learning.